I have been waiting for a long time to come to this school because of all the wonderful things that I have heard about not only the students, but the teachers at this school.
Who helps you to learn every day?
Teacher.
Your teacher, you're correct. Thank you. At the Milken Family Foundation, we celebrate teachers. And I'd like to take a moment right now to ask all of the staff to please stand up. Let's all give your staff a big hand. "37 years ago, a man named Lowell Milken created a special program to honor outstanding educators called the Milken Educator Award. And before we leave this assembly, one of your teachers is going to receive this national award. $25,000! And the Milken Educator Award goes to Bradley Absher. Maggie Arnold.
I just think this is just such a great way to honor teachers, and teachers don't get enough recognition as it is for all the hard work, and so for this to take time out to do something like this is just so very special. So I just want to thank the Milken Foundation for doing this.
Teachers are the most important career, in my opinion. Without teachers, you're not going to have anybody else doing any of the jobs that everybody else does. I really enjoy just the time that I get to spend with the kids, doing activities that they might not get the opportunity to do at home. It's that passion for learning and growth that I think is the most important thing that we do.
I came to this country when I was 12 years old, pursuing education. I left my parents, I left everything I knew to pursue the education. Thank you, those students, for allowing me to push you. It's all because I care about education. I want you to be successful, and I want you all to do the things that you have the potential for. Keep applying yourself. Everything is possible if you put your heart and soul into it.
Receiving the Milken Award changes everything in a teacher's life. And as I have met other Milken Award winners, it is without question something that causes you to be encouraged. It gives you a voice so that you can try to affect change.